statewide, we've all been getting at least a good shot, a good dose of some of the rainfall over the last couple of days.
It's making a little bit of a dent.
It is, yeah, you know, and hopefully over the next couple of days we'll continue to make a dent in it because we do have that chance for rain and storms continuing. Out the door this morning, we are still watching a few isolated showers down towards TRC, down towards Socorro as well. The temperatures, they are comfortable with 60s and 70s. At 73 right now in Albuquerque, 72 in Socorro, and 76 degrees in TRC. But we are bringing back the chance again for more rain and storms central and western parts of the state. And we are going to look for some isolated downpours, some heavy pockets of rain, and we even are looking for the concerns for some flash flooding in the Jemez Mountains as we take you into the west central highlands, the southwestern mountains. A lot of locations do have that flash flood watch in place for today, noon to about 8 o'clock. So really the afternoon and evening is again where we'll have that time frame for the rainfall. But do keep in mind when you see or when we talk about issues with flash flooding, you definitely want to stay away from any swollen creeks, any of those swollen arroyos with water rushing through it. Also, any flooded roadways. You know, the saying, turn around, don't drown. It's silly, but it is true. You want to stay away from that. You never really know what's underneath that roadway. It could be washed away. But as we take you through the day, super storm track picking up on that heavy rain in the northern mountains as we get you towards Grants, Gallup, down towards TRC and in Silver City. So some of the southwestern mountains, the western highlands, and again, the northern mountains, all fair game for very heavy rainfall today. Could even see some of those lingering showers in parts of Albuquerque, pushing all the way over towards the central mountain chain for today. And some of the forecasted rain total, some of the models picking up on about 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch in some locations. But you can bet there are going to be some isolated pockets where we get over that 1/4 of an inch, where we'll get up to about 1 inch, even 2 inches of rainfall. So as we take you through the day, what to expect: lots of sunshine, the dry skies through the midday hours here in the metro area. We will see temperatures in the mid-80s by noon, eventually the 90s with the chance for evening storms. 82 for a high today in Santa Fe, 85 in Grants, and 92 in Albuquerque. Planning ahead though for the weekend, we are going to see high pressure move a little bit further back towards the west, so that's going to nudge our rain chance a little bit further westward. Still northern mountains fair game for the rain and storms there as well. But the south and east, you're going to stay mainly dry the next couple of days. Into next week, we'll be tracking our next front that's going to help moisture really boost back up. So our rain chance sticks around in some spots or returns in a few other locations. So as we take you into the southern Colorado region, we are going to have those mid-80s today, scattered showers and storms into the north and west. We're going to be tracking the chance for storms as well with mid and upper 80s, some 90s as we get you into Farmington with the rain chance sticking around this weekend. Into the south and west, 80s and 90s with afternoon showers and storms, and that rain chance sticks around Saturday and Sunday as well. Into the south and east, we're going to stay mostly sunny in a lot of locations and highs in the 80s and 90s, but the chance for some spot storms, that's going to be closer to the Guadalupe Mountains, so Ruidoso, you may see some wet weather as we take you into the afternoon and evening. The northeast today, 80s and 90s, partly cloudy skies, scattered showers and storms will be possible, and that rain chance sticks around. By the end of this weekend, we'll actually have some cooler temperatures with highs back in the 70s. And speaking of 70s, the northern mountains, Red River and Angel Fire, you will have highs in the 70s. The rest of us will have highs in the 80s with scattered afternoon showers and storms, and that rain chance sticks around this weekend as well. The East Mountains today, partly cloudy skies, mid and upper 80s, hit or miss storms, and into the metro area a little bit hotter with those low to mid 90s, even 95 for a high today in Belen, 94 in Los Lunas. But we'll be tracking the chance for isolated evening showers and storms. So we could potentially get some more wet weather here in the metro area, and again tomorrow as well. Good news as you head out for the weekend. You know, a lot of people like to get out and enjoy it. Best time is going to be the first half of the day because the trend is going to be late afternoon and evening for those storms. So if you want to get out and enjoy it, get out early for that hike.
Plan accordingly. That's what I always usually try to do anyway. Thanks, Cassandra.